Digital marketing is going to change in 2019. What's been working for the last few years is not anymore. And unless you watch this video, you're not going to do as well with your marketing in 2019 that you'll like. Hey everyone, I'm Patel, and today I'm going to share with you how digital marketing is changing in 2019 and what you need to do to thrive and succeed. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to this channel. As I release more marketing information, news and tactics and strategies, you'll get notified. The first thing you need to know is digital marketing is moving to omnichannel approach. You used to be able to build a business with just one channel. For example, Facebook grew by just telling everyone, hey, invite your friends. They would take that address book, your address book, and invite all your friends automatically, even without your permission. That's changed. Those tactics don't work as well as they used to. I'm not saying they don't work at all, they just don't work as well as they used to. Marketing has moved to omni-channel approach, which now you have to use tactics like growth hacking, pay-per-click, SEO, content marketing, social media marketing, banner ads. The list is never ending. The more channels you use, the better off you're going to be, because most of these channels are crowded because there's so many online businesses. If you don't use all of them, you just won't do as well in 2019. The second thing you guys need to know, and most of you will not like this, search is moving to voice search. By 2020, ComScore estimates that half the searches on Google will be through voice search. Right now, 2 out of every 5 adults are using voice search. Yes, that means kids aren't using it as much, but still, by 2020, they're saying half of all searches, not just from adults, but half of all searches are going to be to voice search. If you've ever used voice search, leave a comment below with yes. If you haven't, leave a comment with no. Just curious to see how many of you guys have tried out voice search. So if you want to do well in 2019, you need to be leveraging voice search. And the way you do this is, 1, make sure your site is HTTPS, because most of the sites are at the top are HTTPS these days. 2, your site needs to load fast. If it doesn't load fast, you're not going to do as well with voice search. 3, when people are typing in questions, they're typically typing in longer term phrases. So your questions, your answers more so to these questions, need to be short and to the point. If your answers are a paragraph long, you're not going to do as well compared to if your answer was 1 sentence long. The third one I have for you is conversion optimization. Advertising is getting more and more expensive over time. That's not going to change. The only way you're going to be able to compete and stay ahead is through conversion optimization. The more you optimize your landing page for conversions, the better off you're going to be. Make sure you're using tools like Crazy Egg, which allow you to do A/B tests so you can squeeze more conversions from the traffic you're getting. Make sure you're using tools like Hello Bar, which allow exit intent and email collection. Again, this will help you get more revenue from the users and visitors that you do have. If you don't do this, as years go on, you're going to get drowned out by the competitors because they're going to spend more money than you and they're going to crush you. So focus on conversion optimization, even though it's not sexy and most people don't like talking about it in marketing. The fourth tactic I have for you is leverage funnels. Marketing funnels are going to be more popular than ever in 2019. Before, people used to just optimize their campaigns to, hey, I'm buying ads, how many sales am I getting? Now you need to look at upsells, downsells, cross-sells, lifetime value of a customer, churn, whether you have a physical product, digital product, or you're doing lead generation. You need to track everything from a visitor all the way to a conversion point. That's revenue for them to keep buying, the lifetime value of the customer. And that's why funnels are really important. If you don't know how to create a funnel, go check out tools like clickfunnels.com. Number 5, content marketing just won't work as well. Think about it. Anytime you do a search, most of the articles that are at the top are content marketing. Blogging is so popular and so played out that everyone is regurgitating the same information over and over again. Unless you're creating amazing new information that people haven't heard before, you're not going to do well. Content marketing just won't work as easily to get links or social shares unless you're creating amazing content that's new and people haven't seen before. Number 6, video content. You see me here. This is a video. You're engaging with me. If you're not, leave a comment. I'll show you. I'll respond back. Video content is the future. People want to engage through video. And you know what? Facebook gives you more views if it's video. YouTube gives you a ton of views. And LinkedIn does as well. You need to be leveraging video. You can't take it for granted. Number 7, this is the last one for you. Podcasting is taking over. Did you know that 45% of the people who listen to podcasts have a household income above $75,000? That's a ton. That's a lot of money. That means that people are listening to your podcast, they're going to be better buyers than most marketing channels out there. You need to create a podcast. Everyone is using their phones these days. Everyone is driving to work. Podcasting makes it easy where people can listen to your content on the go. Such a hectic world out there, you need to have a podcast so people can listen to you while they're dealing with their hectic life. So that's it. Leverage these strategies. You'll do much better in 2019. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe, share, let everyone know about this content. I appreciate it.